Oh wow, guys.
They're weird.
Cool, aren't they?
Look how much smoke they're doing.
Oh my god, we'll be able to smell that in a minute, it'd be great. Ooh, 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 ooh.
It's like a screaming
Oh, yeah.
baby. It's like a screaming baby.
So cool.
Beautiful.
Get in there.
That is beautiful. I called that. I said I called that.
Wow.
It's golden one.
They're getting higher and higher. Oh wow. Those colours. Woo!
Was that done?
Nah, Mark, that was just stage one.
He'll be able to hear it, probably, maybe. Oh yeah, you're right. He might not be able to hear it really, actually, because it's quite far away.
Wow. Really, they're getting bigger and louder.
How much smoke is doing? This one.
Woo! It's the reflections in the sea. In the harbour. Wow, they're my favos.
What are they called?
I don't know, but they're my fave. Whoa! Oh. Holy moly!
How much stages does it go up to?
Huh?
How much stages does it go up to?
Oh, I'm pretty dangerous. Whoa!
Do you mean like on a scale of 10?
Oh yeah, 10.
It's 10
Woo!
steps.
10 stages.
Oh, I like these ones. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, they're getting bigger and higher and.
Well, I think they're looking at you. They're not gonna though.
That's incredible.
It always comes back.
They're just screamers.
Really, really, baby, no, but when you're about 3, you're alright. You had to go home one year.
Yeah, that was a good one as well. I was well excited.
But when I was younger, I ruined it every fireworks night. I cried when they did their home.
Right, here we go, guys. There's going to be some big ones in a second. Watch this. Yeah, sorry, I was going to record that. I was going to put it on YouTube and make those comments.